Imagine cruising down a scenic highway as mountains rise in the distance and sunlight filters through towering pines, all from the comfort of a motorhome that feels more like a luxury retreat than a vehicle. That's the experience the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Inception delivers. A Super C gas motorhome that blends premium comfort, powerful performance, and long-haul capability into one exciting package. Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. If you're excited about RVs that deliver unforgettable experiences without compromise, hit that subscribe button now, because this is one tour you'll want to watch all the way through. The Inception is designed for people who want to travel further, stay longer, and enjoy every mile along the way. Built on the rugged and reliable Ford F53 chassis, it leverages a 7.3L V8 engine that produces strong torque and confident acceleration. Whether you're navigating mountain grades, coastal highways, or tight campground roads, the Inception's powertrain delivers a smooth and composed driving experience. The automatic transmission shifts with precision, and the suspension system helps absorb bumps and uneven pavement, making long drives comfortable for both drivers and passengers. What makes the Inception especially compelling is how it harmonizes performance and living space. From the outside, its full-body paint and sleek aerodynamic profile give it a commanding presence on the road without being overly large or intimidating. LED exterior lighting accents add modern styling while making nighttime setup easy. A power awning with integrated LED lighting extends your outdoor living area within seconds, offering a perfect spot for morning coffee, afternoon relaxation, or dinner under the stars. Pass-through storage compartments provide abundant room for outdoor gear, chairs, coolers, and everything you want to take along without cluttering the interior. Stepping inside the Inception feels like entering a well-appointed home that's ready for adventure. The spacious living area unfolds with a warm, inviting atmosphere that blends contemporary finishes with functional design. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light and provide uninterrupted views of wherever you've chosen to park. Plush seating invites you to relax, whether you're watching a movie or catching up with family after a long day. The seating area flows naturally into the kitchen, where thoughtful design meets real-world usability. The Inception's kitchen comes equipped with a multi-burner range, convection microwave, and high-capacity refrigerator, giving you the tools needed to prepare full meals on the road. Countertop space is generous, so meal prep feels easy and organized rather than cramped. Deep drawers and cabinetry hold dishes, cookware, and pantry items neatly, while strategically placed lighting illuminates the workspace without glare. Whether it's a quick breakfast before an early hike or a full dinner spread with friends, this kitchen stands ready to perform. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area combines practicality with comfort. It's a space where meals feel social, whether you're sharing a camp-cooked meal or planning the next leg of your journey. The dinette arrangement encourages conversation, and with large windows surrounding the area, it always feels connected to the outdoors even while you're inside. When the day's adventures wind down, the Inception's sleeping arrangements are built to ensure restful nights. The master bedroom usually features a residential-style bed complete with quality bedding and underbed storage. Side wardrobes and overhead cabinets keep clothing and personal items organized and within reach. Additional sleeping spaces, such as cab-over bunks or convertible sofas, extend sleeping capacity for guests or family members without intruding on the primary living areas. One of the standout features in the Inception is the way the bathroom is designed. Rather than feeling like an afterthought, the shower and vanity area feels spacious and functional, with thoughtful touches that elevate the daily routine. Storage shelves for towels and toiletries help maintain a tidy environment, and well-placed fixtures ensure comfort even in tighter quarters. Driving and operating a motorhome as large and capable as the Inception could feel daunting, but the cockpit experience has been crafted to put the driver first. Plush seats with multiple adjustments make long stretches of highway feel comfortable, while a modern infotainment system, complete with smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, keeps navigation, music, and connectivity right at your fingertips. Backup cameras provide clear views of what's behind you, and driver assist technologies help make parking, reversing, and campground maneuvers more intuitive than ever. Living in a motorhome is about more than driving and sleeping. It's about comfort and convenience. The HVAC system in the Inception ensures cabin comfort in both hot and cool weather, while hydronic heating and efficient insulation maintain stable interior temperatures across seasons. A tankless water heater provides continuous hot water for showers and kitchen needs, so everyone stays comfortable even during extended stays. Systems designed for extended travel and off-grid capability are also part of the Inception experience. Solar preparation gives you the option to keep batteries charged during dry camping, and generator packages provide reliable electrical power when hookups aren't available. With multiple water tanks and efficient plumbing systems, you can stay off the grid longer without worry. Entertainment systems both inside and out enhance leisure time, whether you're relaxing after a hike or gathering around for games inside during a rainy afternoon. Storage solutions are abundant throughout the Inception. Interior closets, overhead cabinets, underbed compartments, and pass-through exterior storage work together to give you room for personal items, outdoor gear, kitchen essentials, and more. With a place for everything, your living space feels organized rather than cluttered, a feature that becomes even more critical on long journeys. It's time to talk about value and lifestyle impact, because that's what truly sets the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Inception apart. Starting around $200,000 MSRP, this motorhome sits at a compelling intersection of luxury, capability, and practicality. For that price, you're not only getting a well-built RV with premium amenities, but also a vehicle that enables experiences you might not otherwise have. Imagine family road trips that start at dawn, evenings around a campfire beneath the stars, and road trips that span days, weeks, or even months. Memories that extend far beyond the purchase price. The Inception suits a wide range of travelers. Retirees who want to explore national parks at their own pace will appreciate the comfort and storage. Families who want flexibility for summer vacations will enjoy the sleeping configurations and living spaces. Even weekend warriors can find joy in quick getaways that feel effortless and fulfilling. Regardless of the travel style, this motorhome makes every adventure feel possible without sacrificing everyday comforts. In the end, the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Inception isn't just a vehicle you travel in. It's a home you live from, a launch pad for adventure, and a space designed to support unforgettable journeys. It blends power, space, comfort, and convenience in a way that's rare for motorhomes at this level. With every sunrise driving toward your next destination and every sunset opening up a new campground, the Inception becomes more than an RV. It becomes part of the story of your travels. Before you go, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed the tour, subscribe to NextGen Motorhomes for more high-end RV walkthroughs, and drop a comment telling us where you would take your Inception on its first journey. The road awaits, and your next great adventure starts now.